Hello, dear. Vita here, your storyteller. Today's story. Hatchu! Oh, why I'm sneezing? Because the story name is Hatchu! This is the story about the man Ram, and, and the story is from Pratham books. Here is a story. Once there lived a man in a village. His name was Ram. And one day, and Hatchu, Hatchu, and he sneezed. After that, everybody started calling him Hatchu. When he sneezed, he made a big sound like Hatchu, Hatchu, and the sound only got louder with every sneeze. Hatchu! Like this. Molly, the small baby who bounced with Hatchu Ram, Hatchu! Jagu, the little boy, who dropped his ice cream with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! The Shiba, the milkman, he fell off the cycle. And the dam! And all the milk was drawn down on the ground. The grandpa, who fainted with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! And what? His false teeth has come out on the floor. Grown poo without teeth now. And not only the human beings, but also the cock, the crow, she-bird with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! And Nutty, the coconut, fell down from the tree with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Dorai, the dog, who climbed up with fear in that tree. Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Briefly, the earthworm, he just squeezed itself on the ground. And Musaka, the mouse, ran into the hole with that Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Hatchu! And what? Pihu, the peacock, shed its feather with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Every time it's get louder. And the Matsya, the fish, it jumped out from the water with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Balban Bahubali, the buffalo, he just squint on the floor with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! And what? Not only the human beings, birds and animals, machine, the chakra, the gold circle chakra, it was stopped with Hatchu Ram's big Hatchu! Hatchu! Surya, the sun, who was hide behind with Hatchu Ram's Hatchu! Hatchu! And people all were screamed. They hide themselves. They covered their ears. But it didn't work. Everyone was running as they seen. They hiding themselves from the Hatchu Ram. Then they all planned together how they can stop that Hatchu Ram's Hatchu. You know what? What they planned? When Hatchu Ram Hatchu again, all people, everyone started after that sneezing next to Hatchu Ram, louder than even Hatchu Ram. Everyone started doing that Hatchu, Hatchu, Hatchu in front of the Hatchu Ram. Now Hatchu Ram realized that his mistakes and he apologized to everyone. At the end of all, the grandpa he came and said to Hatchu Ram, whenever you do Hatchu, you must cover your nose with clothes. From then, Hatchu Ram no longer sneezed loudly. From then, no one was calling him Hatchu Ram. He got know that why we all sneeze? When dust, dirt, all the smokes enters our nostrils, the nose needs to become irritated or tickled. When it's happened, nose need to be cleaned up and it causes sneeze, Hatchu. So it is not harm that you do sneeze, but you make sure that you should cover your nose with clothes. So friend, it was the story of Hatchu, Hatchu. And I know that you all love that story. So keep watching and never forget at the time of sneeze to cover your nose. Achoo!